Hi, and welcome to day one of the Amazing Space Workshop. I am so excited that you're here. I'm Amanda. I am the owner and principal designer of AMA Designs. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to define your style. Knowing your design style is the first step when decorating your space. Having a clear design identity is the foundation that inspires the entire space. Decorating your house before you have a clear understanding of what your design style is like planning a trip without having an address or a navigation system. Sure, you might get to your destination, but not before some frightening things happen. Discovering your style is a process. It takes time. You may find that you like a bunch of different styles and don't identify with just one. Or you may feel like you don't have a style at all. But let me assure you, if you have a personality, you have style. You may have not discovered your design style yet, and that's fine. Through some exploration and this video, you will be able to pinpoint your design style. But before we get started, let's talk about why having a design style is important. Number one, your house will start to feel like home. When your home starts to represent your personality, something magical happens. It's like your house becomes more comfortable. All of a sudden, you look forward to sitting down in your sofa at the end of the day, and you look forward to going to bed, not because you're tired, but because you finally have a house that fulfills your every need. Number two, shopping will be a breeze. I'm sure you have been bombarded with design inspiration, and your Pinterest board must be busting at the seams. You may have an idea of what you like, but you're completely distracted. When you don't know your design style, it's very hard to pinpoint what you like and don't like, and therefore it's hard to make decisions. When you know your design style, you will feel confident in your choices, and shopping will be much easier. Number three, you will be able to polish your home with ease. There comes a point where you need to edit your things and dial back. But when you don't know what your design style is, it's hard to decipher what can stay and what should go. When you have clarity of your design sense, you can easily see what objects are meant to stay through a new perspective. By now you must be wondering, how do I uncover my design style? And I'm going to show you with 3 tips. Tip number 1, start by looking in your wardrobe. Chances are, if you love wearing it, you're going to love coming home to it. So take a look at your closet and see what color that you wear the most or what patterns you like to wear too. If you don't wear a lot of color, don't worry. It doesn't mean that you need a neutral home. Just look at the style. So if you wear casual clothes, that means you may want a house that is more casual. If you wear something more formal, then your house should be more formal as well. Number 2, look at what you already have or collect. The answer might be in your collections. Take a look at what you have and find the item that most defines you. Number 3, search your inspiration. If you are on Pinterest, I'm sure you have tons of boards of all the things that you like. So go back to your Pinterest boards and see what you have pinned the most. Find the common denominator. What did you gravitate to? What details did you seem to pin the most? That will help you identify what your design style is. And if you're still confused after doing all 3 things, tip number 4 would be to take my design style quiz. I created a free quiz for you to answer a few questions and discover your unique design style. And there you have it. How to define your design style. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson, and I do have homework for you. I know, sorry, but it's very fun. So in today's homework, you will take the design style quiz that I created for you. So visit bit.ly/AMA style quiz. And please share your results. I would love to see what you get. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.